Silen Sense Calm Ears isn't all that people are talking about, and you might be fooled. Watch until the end. This video could save your wallet and, most importantly, your health. In this video, you'll discover everything you need to know about Silen Sense Calm Ears, if it really delivers on its promises, if it's worth trying in 2026, and, above all, if it can bring a real change. And I'll tell you one thing right away, it's only sold on the official website. Anywhere else the product is fake, and I've seen many ads on the internet. Be careful. I'll leave the official website in the description. Silen Sense Calm Ears promises to relieve tinnitus symptoms like ringing, buzzing, or hissing in the ears without aggressive treatments and acts on several crucial points: calming the ears, improving auditory quality of life, and reducing stress caused by noise. But does it really work? The answer is not simple. There are very positive points, but it is necessary to have realistic expectations. The formula combines natural ingredients with action to support auditory health and reduce the perception of tinnitus. Instead of just addressing symptoms, Silen Sense Calm Ears helps the body restore its natural balance from the inside out, and this approach can make all the difference. When auditory health is optimized and tinnitus symptoms are reduced, this is reflected. Comfort increases, peace returns, and self-confidence is restored without invasive treatments or embarrassment. But let's be clear, it's not magic. If there isn't care with overall health, diet, or other factors, the results may not be lasting. The difference lies in the scientific basis. Silen Sense Calm Ears uses natural formulas with real backing, with effects to support auditory health. Regarding side effects, there are no reports of serious cases. Even so, if you have a specific condition, consult your doctor first. And there's more. Silen Sense Calm Ears offers a guarantee. If it doesn't work for you, you can ask for a refund without needing to justify it. But beware, this is only valid for purchases made on the official website. The link is here in the video description. Avoid Amazon or unauthorized sites. Unfortunately, there are many dangerous counterfeits. So, are Silen Sense Calm Ears worth it? If you suffer from constant ringing, buzzing, or hissing in your ears, discomfort, or stress caused by noise, this supplement can be a natural and reliable solution. As long as you don't expect miracles without commitment.